Hello, this is Jim from TechBuzz. Today I'm going to give you a quick first look and unboxing of the SHURE MV 88 Plus video kit, which is a digital stereo condenser, microphone and video accessories. So inside you get a Manfrotto Pixie mini tripod, which is cool. Professional sound for bloggers, filmmakers, musicians and podcasters. So on the back it will tell us that you have a high resolution stereo recording from 16-bit to 24, on-screen metering, editing and file sharing, in-app hardware controls with MV88 Plus, one-touch setup, gain stereo with polar pattern 5-band equalizer and high-pass filter and compressor limiter, made for iPod and iPhones. So we've got live stream ready, one-touch setup, 24 to 48 kHz, 24 bits to 48 kHz, stereo wide and polar patterns, real-time headphone monitoring, your USB connector, your headphone jack, and in the box we get the tripod, the clamp, roll-up bag, windscreen, cables, MV88 digital stereo condenser with microphone, and that's all there is on the box. So let's check it out. And what do we get inside? Okay, first of all, here we have our SHURE roll-up bag, which is pretty cool. So no messing around, open this up and everything is ready to go. Also get a card, some warranty stuff, and your books and stuff, the usual. And here is our tripod, which is excellent. Nice rubber feet on the bottom of these. These are supposed to be very good. I've seen a lot of bloggers use them and they're highly recommended. So yeah, pretty nice. So inside here we have USB, micro USB. We've got lightning. We have our unit here with MV88 Plus on it, headphone jack, micro USB, and nice bit of weight on it. You have your mounts and so on here. So this will basically be it and how it works. So you can stick your phone on, or whatever the case is, and there's multiple ways of using these for audio and so on, but pretty nice indeed. And this is where your phone will go if you're going to use your smartphone, which we will be using to test, and then you just get it all up and running together. So this will sit on top here like so, and then you'll continue the setup process from there. So pretty nice kit, pretty stable and solid as well, and really good materials, not cheap at all. There's a nice bit of weight in this as well, and pretty cool indeed. So stay tuned for a review coming soon. We'll check it out, check out the app as well, and see how it all works. We'll drop a link below to where you can buy it and some more about the product. We'll see you in the next one.